In this video, I'm going to show you what a finished question looks like from the teacher point of view so that you can see how does the question feature look like once you have had students actually participate in answering a question. So from the teacher point of view, I would click on the question and click View Question. And take some time to load. And this was just a simple question for our training. How are you today? It shows the students in alphabetical order, but you'll be able to see the student's name and see their response, and then you'll be able to see whether or not anyone responded to that student. So you can click on where it gives you how many replies each student has, and it shows you their reply. Then you as a teacher can also give a reply to those specific students. Also in the question feature, if you have a student that you need to remove from the discussion, you can do that by clicking the three dots next to their name. And it gives you the ability to mute that student. When you mute that student, you have the ability to make sure that they can still submit their work, but they cannot reply to other classmates' work, they cannot comment or post. So by muting that student, it removes them from the discussion, but it does not remove them from the assignment where they cannot submit their answer to the question. So once that student is muted, you're going to see a little microphone icon next to their name with a slash through it that shows that that student is muted and is no longer a part of the discussion. They cannot comment or post comments to their students, to their classmates' questions. You still have the option of giving the grade for that comment. If you want to click on the student, a specific student's name, you can go in and view their answer to the question along with those who replied. And once again, you can reply directly to that student and you can give them a grade. And those grades can be returned just like grades in any other assignment. So this is the teacher view. You see all the students' responses and who responded to them. And once again, if anyone needs to be muted, you click directly, click the three dots next to their name. You can delete or mute that post or that reply. When you scroll down, you can see all your students that have responded. And the students on their end can see their classmates' response by clicking, once they've turned in their answer, they can click See Classmates' Responses once they've turned in their answer. So this is from the teacher's perspective, what you would see when the question is presented. You do have the option of still having that class comment, and you can turn off class comments. I will have a video for that. You can turn off where the students can't comment on any assignment, but you want to make sure when you do a question feature that they're not commenting in the class assignments, that they're commenting actually where it says question. So I would just delete these posts. I only let students post in that area if they have a question that's directed to me. If I present a question to the class, I like them to make sure that they put their answer where it says your answer. So when they click on it and says view question, it'll open up a spot to the right hand side that says your answer, and they'll type their answer there, and then it gives them the option to turn it in. But we don't have that view from the teacher's point of view.